Add funds to your PayPal balance via the mobile app, iOS, Android, using a linked bank account or debit or credit card. Instant 1% fee. Available for verified Euro or USD accounts. Maximum 10K per transaction. Requires bank or card linked in same name. Steps. Open app and log in. Launch PayPal. Sign in with your email or phone plus password. Go to Wallet. Tap Wallet. Bottom menu, Euro or dollar icon. Add money. Tap plus add money or transfer money. Add to your balance. Select source. Bank account. Choose linked bank. Enter amount. Next. Card. Select Visa or MasterCard. Amount. Add now. Instant. Confirm. Review fee. 0% bank fee. 1% card fee. Tap add money. Bank. Funds arrive in 1 to 3 business days. Card. Instant to balance. Track. Check activity tab for status. Tips. Link bank. First, wallet. Plus, bank account. Enter IBAN and BIC. Verify micro deposits. 1 to 2 days. Instant only via card. No SEPA instant top-up. Limits. $500 or euros per day unverified. Higher post-verification. Issues? Chat support in-app 24/7.